Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about XDC, and the question for today's video is this: can the bottom already be in, and from here can we see like a very strong move on the upside? The answer is yes, but at the moment we cannot really be bullish with a lot of confidence, and I'm going to tell you why. First things first, in terms of classic TA, meaning support and resistances, sure, in here, this is a very important support from weekly and daily time frame at the same time. But in this area, when you zoom in more, you can also identify a good support from daily time frame. Now, in an ideal scenario, we want to see another move down in XDC in order to reach to about this weekly time frame support and then have a very strong bounce back. But is there a chance that from here we are going to have a big move up and start the next major phase of the bull run? Yes, there is absolutely a chance. Second, let's go on H1 time frame and see what is happening. You see, if you want to argue that, for example, we're going to have our final bottom around here, let's say this is like a very important support, then okay, you need to be able to find off of the lowest low a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. This specific example is a normal 5 wave. Rules for it are: we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of impulse, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave. This is a big no-no in Elliott waves, and for our sub waves, you probably know it in case that you are a regular viewer of the main channel. We must be able to find 5 wave up into wave 1, 3, and 5, and for wave 2 and 4, we can have different structures. Let's say, yeah, ABC into 4 and a WXY into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. And I want to be very clear. This initial move up off of the lowest low in XDC does look a lot like a 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 3 correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, followed by that. I think if you insist to be bullish on XDC, you need to say that from here to about actually this point and not the lowest low down here, we are having a correction down. And yes, I think it can be a WXY in form of a double zigzag with a truncated second zigzag into our wave 5. Now, what do we need to see in XDC in order for us to be able to talk bullish with a lot more confidence? I can say this is 1, this is 2, and then in this move, I want to see a continuation into wave 3 and 4 and 5, and after it, we want to see a consolidation pattern, a very slow and choppy move down, and not, for example, like a very strong move down in order to take this low. If we see something like this, at that point, we are not going to be optimistic just for the short term in XDC, and you are going to see me saying that probably this move is going to continue, and odds are we are going to reach to about the next important region all the way down here between 5 to about, let's say, 6 cents. So for now, let's hope that this move is going to continue, and then we see a consolidation in here and then another move up in order for us to be able to say, you know what, in XDC, we are forming an impulse on the upside, a beautiful one. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XDC's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.